I'm going to make some Cajun pasta, which is delicious and ridiculously easy to make with some helpful tips I use. Oil in the pan. Add some diced onion and green pepper. You could add diced celery and make it the holy trinity of Cajun Creole cooking. Or you could add about anything. Diced tomato, diced red pepper, diced mushrooms, really anything. You can make it really healthy and add diced broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, green beans. Yeah, they seem a little strange, but sure, why not? I added black olives once. I didn't grill them, just added them in at the end. If you add something heavy to your pot or pan, it will cook faster. I have a half brick double wrapped in foil. When the veggies are soft, add some diced andouille sausage. This is pre-cooked, so it just needs to be warmed up. If you have time and want more flavor, you could cut the sausages into discs and fry them up, fry each side up, then dice them. Or even smoke the sausage. Grill up the sausage outside on a grill. But I'm trying to make this quickly. It does not have to be andouille sausage. It could be Italian sausage, kielbasa, brats, or even little smokies or regular hot dogs if you really want to go cheap. You could also use diced chicken or shrimp, or go vegan and leave out the meat altogether. I love cooking videos that waste my time by showing me how to chop or dice food, as if I didn't know how to use a knife. Now let's make the mac and cheese. Boil some water. Always add some seasoning to your water. It will boil faster. Shells go in for 20 minutes. Again, if you have time and money, you could use larger elbow macaroni and a variety of cheeses to make it extra special. Some instructions for mac and cheese are bad. They say to not drain all the water because you will need some water to mix with the dry cheese powder. But we will do it the best way. First, drain all the water. I know some people are hesitant to pour boiling water into their sinks because they think it will melt their gaskets. Well, then just drain the hot water into a bowl you have lying around and let the water cool. Second, once the macaroni is dry, add some butter and milk. Then the cheese powder. Milk and butter make it much more creamier than just water. The milk and butter will cool your mixture, so put it back on the heat if you need to. Now the most important part, the Cajun seasoning. Cajun seasoning is made up of a lot of different seasonings. Mine here has 8 different kinds. So it is very easy here to make a mistake and add too much Cajun seasoning. Just a little covering, then stir it up, then taste test. Add more if you so desire. Last, pour your grilled mixture into the mac and cheese and stir well. That's it. Enjoy.